National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Robertson County in central Texas, Milam County in central Texas, southeastern Bell County in central Texas, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cameron, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Robertson, Milam and southeastern Bell counties, including the following locations: Minerva, Hanover, Ben Arnold, Baileyville, Sharp, Maysfield, Darrelton, Hoyt, Crossroads, and Pettibone. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.